Do you have the same struggle as me, always losing your phone while you're in the car and you're trying to find it so you can charge it? My name's Hannah with WTI, and I have found a solution for both of those for you. This is the Scosche MagicMount Charge Pro. It works with UI2 charging compatible devices. What I love most is the flexibility to use it. It comes with a dash mount and also a vent mount. So the vent mount can go in any row, easily pass it to whoever needs it. As long as you have a USB-C charger or a 12-volt power outlet and a vent, this will work. The magnet on this thing is super strong. I have no problems with my phone falling off. So the dash mount I put in the passenger side, which is where I usually sit. And what's great about how they've designed this is you can even attach it to a curved spot. If you're looking for that nice place to attach your phone while you're driving and hey, be charging it at the same time, you have got to check this out. But that's just my point of view.